I use the money to take care of my family.
Your family? But you have been collecting money from him. He said he used to send you 400K every month.
Then she come up with the idea, let's build a house so that if I'm coming back to Nigeria, she's gonna we're gonna stay in the house. Like she don't want to give back on the roadside and live up and down. Then I've been like squeezing out my hard-earned money to put in this. See, this girl is getting me crazy, and I'm gonna break her head right now. Like, please, I don't understand. Like, why do people do like this?
Please, I'm sorry.
Why did you tell me this? Oh God.
I'm sorry.
Why do people do like this? Amaka, I suffered for you. Even the money I spent on you, I don't even spend that kind of money to my mom. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Because you have a baby.
You are
I've
wicked.
been taking time to take care of you.
You are wicked. You're wicked.
Look at, she's feeling emotional because she's a wicked witch. She's a witch.
Now, why? You're wicked.
Is this emotional or crocodile tears?
His land, you sold it. You did not build on it. Child is not his own. You are heartless. You are heartless. Everything went bad when you have been sending him money. How can everything go bad when you have been sending him money? I've been a child's play. I don't understand.
Maybe she's acting movie. Because every night she'll take me on a video with the baby. And tell me my baby want to eat, my baby want to do this. Excuse me. Sometimes she'll shut the door and tell me,
Madam, you are very wicked. No. Which one you are crying? What are you crying for? When you were doing all these things, you don't have sympathy. Someone is abroad, hustling, sending you money.
We need to call the police. We need to call the police. No, because I'll kill someone here.
Help me talk to me.
I'll kill someone here. I'll kill someone here. Let's call the police or I'll kill someone here.
Come, this is no. I cannot help you.
Someone here or let's call the police.
Okay, with all the money he has been sending you, what do you have now? What did you achieve? What did you do for yourself?
See that you give me my money
what
now.
Did you do for
Let me
yourself?
go back to Canada.
What did you do for yourself?
I don't have any money with me. I used the money and gave my boyfriend.
Jesus!
You gave your boyfriend. See?
Hey, Jesus!
Friends me like that I should borrow him money. That he's going to return the money when everything they're okay. I didn't know that he's using the money to enjoy with another woman.
See, you are just cracking a story I don't know about. What I want, if you have not given me a house, where is my land, and give me my money, please. Let me go back to Canada, please. Please help me beg her because I'm calling police. Let's call police to this because I will kill her here.
Please don't call police.
I will
allow him to call the police because
and I will bring my lawyer instantly. Why would she be so heartless and out of her mind like that? I've suffered for 7 years for this. I don't want to call you name.
Okay, 7 years. Hey, what happened? Why did you abandon me for good 7 years?
How did he abandon you when he was sending you money?
I abandoned you for 7 years. Haven't I been sending you money?
Flex life.
Flex life.
Myself.
And you use someone's ardent sweat to flex life. And I was trying to build life with you. You were flexing the life I was supposed to build it. I believe you are joking with me.
Am I the only girl that is
See, there must be my document. There must be my document here.
Wait.
There must be my document here. You must be joking. My document must be here.
This is too much.
My document.
So you wanted to come and collect gift and you've not been picking somebody's.
Can you imagine?
That has been helping you
in this bag. I believe my documents.
I should have told you so that you also block
me. She's joking with me. My documents are here.
She has to provide all those things. What out of wickedness is that? No, you call. She has to. No, you cannot beg me. No, this is wickedness.
Please, we can settle this.
Don't touch me.
Call.
Hello, brother.
Call.
I don't see her. I don't see the
Please.
Yes.
Let me talk to him, please.
Are you mad? Stop touching me. I don't see her already. Yes.
How can somebody be this wicked?
They come out.
You know what it is? Do you know what it is to be in abroad, hustling and sending money? Why are you being wicked?
You are a wicked witch. I will not help you.
Carry her hair. Take.
Don't let her go.
Remove it.
My brothers are coming with police.
You have to provide everything that he has spent money on. This is very wicked.
A witch.
God.
You are heartless.
Leave me. In fact,
don't let me
hold her. Let me hold her. Are they coming?
They are coming.
Omo, don't tear my cloth.
Where
Don't
una
tear
dey
my
now?
cloth.
Make una dey come.
Don't tear my cloth. Don't tear my cloth.
Man, I dey-
Ah,
Oh my full 7 years. You wasted my 7 years. 7 years of suffering. You're heartless. You're
don't
heartless.
hit her too much. Don't wound her. Never. When the
Let una dey come, let una dey come.
police come, she will explain more.
Yes. When they come. You're heartless.
God forbid.
You're using my own hard-earned money to flex guys. Want to wreck? Oh God. See, don't hold this one. Hold her. Because I will kill her if I hold her.
Looking at us, please.
Don't touch me. Are you mad?
You did not know when you were
sorry.
doing all these things to
Sorry,
him.
please.
Please, where is my money? Where is my house? Thank God I can take the fact that I don't have a child. I can manage the fact I don't have a child with you.
Please,
If
let me talk.
please, I will kill her here.
Please, let me talk to you. We can say to
Let's
this,
just wait for
please.
the police.
Look at people is looking at
Stop
us.
touching me.
Please.
Are you mad?
Baby, please.
I'll kill her here.
Baby, please,
I just want to wait for
please.
this. Stop touching me.